Greetings of the day. Welcome to C++ programming language programs. In this video, we are going to see how to find out any given number is Armstrong number or not. So, for which we should know what is the meaning of Armstrong number. So, let's have a look. Let's take an example. 153. This is our number. Okay. So, first of all, we have to separate it into the digits. That is 1, 5 and 3. Then we have to make a cube of it. So what is a cube of 1? Cube of 1 will be 1. Then what is a cube of 5? Cube of 5 is 125. Then what is a cube of 3? The cube of 3 is 27. Now in the third step we just have to add all these cubes of all digits. So at the last we are getting the value that is 153. It means that whatever the number we have divided into the digits, then we have made the cube of it and add it at the last. After adding those numbers, we are getting the same number that we have chosen, right? So that is nothing but our Armstrong number. You can take any number, just make a cube of it and add the cube of that numbers. We'll get to know that if the number is given, if the given number is equal to the addition of that numbers, it means that that number is nothing but our Armstrong number. Okay, so let's have a look to the problem statement. So our problem statement is write a C++ program to check whether the given number is Armstrong number or not. Okay, so here again I am going to read the definition of the Armstrong number as Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of cube of its digits. So first of all we have to focus on the sum of cube of its digits. So basically here there are three steps. First, any number is given, so we have to divide it into its digits. Then we have to make a cube of it individually and we have to add all the cube of that digits. And we have to find out is the number is same as the given number or not. So here the input is given like enter the number equal to 153 and output is yes, that it is an Armstrong number. Let's have a look for the program. Now as we are writing on a program in a C++ language, here we are including #include IO stream, that is our preprocessor input output stream. So it contains the definition of the cout and the cin. Okay, then after that every program starts execution from the main function. So here is our body of the main function. Yes, so this is the body of our main function. So as we can see here, first of all we have included the integer n r sum equal to 0 and the temp. Okay, so as this program is written for finding out the number is Armstrong number or not, so first of all we need to take the any number from the user that we are going to store in the variable n. So that's why we have used this variable n, which is of integer type and which is going to hold 2 bytes of memory in the memory location. Okay, then after that here we are using the r for finding out the remainder. Then why? Because we have to divide that number given by the user into the digits. So here by using this remainder formula we are able to get that single digits. We'll have a look for the logic. Then sum is equal to 0. Then we have to make a sum of the cube of the digits. So that's why we are using a sum variable over here. And then temporary variable. So we are using this temporary variable for store our previous number that is given by the user. Okay, now first of all in the output whatever the data is written in this double quotes, it is getting printed as it is, right? So that's why here enter a number, we are getting it in the, we will get it in the output. Okay, then cin n. So user is going to give this value, that is 1 Yeah, what was the number? 153, right? Yes. So user is giving the number, that is 153. Now Cin. By using this Cin, we are getting the value, and we are getting this, and we are storing this value into the variable n memory location. So we are having a value with us, that is 153. Okay. Then here, whatever the value is present in the n, we are going to store it in the temporary variable, so that at the last we can compare those values, that 153 is same as our final answer or not. If it is same, then we are going to say yes, it is an Armstrong number. So here we are going to store the same number in the temporary variable. Then after that, from here itself, we are going to start our while loop. Okay, so this while loop is going to be work as n is greater than 0. Okay, so until and unless the value of n is greater than 0, we are going to iterate this loop. So in this loop, what we are doing? So first of all, r is equal to n modulo division 10. Means what we are doing? We are going to separate it into the digit. First, we are getting one digit. Then we are making a cube of it, and we are going to add it. Right? So same thing we are going to perform over here. By using this r n modulo division 10, we are getting a remainder value. So here the formula of it is using, or here, that is n modulo division 10. So what is remainder value we are getting? 153 modulo division 10. It means that we are getting a remainder. Okay, so 153 is divided by 10. 10 ones are 10. We are getting our value as a 5 after subtraction. Then this 3 is coming here. Then 10 5s are 50. And in the remainder, we are getting our value, first value, that is 3 in our first iteration. Okay. So first of all, we have to check this condition. N is greater than 0. Yes, our condition is true, that the n value is greater than 0. That is 153. So our condition is going to be true over here. So here, that is 153 is greater than 0. This condition is true. This condition is true. That's why here we are getting our remainder value, that is 15. Sorry, our remainder value is 3. Okay. Now after that, we have to execute the second statement. Sum is equal to sum plus r into r into r. So we have to make a cube of it. So initially here, as we have to perform the addition, here we are going to initialize the sum is equal to 0, so that we'll get our exact answer. If we are not declaring over here sum is equal to 0, so it can hold any of the garbage value or any of the value, so it can impact our output. Okay, as we are performing the addition. So sum is equal to 0. So 0 plus sum is equal to sum plus r into r into r. Okay, so that r is nothing but a remainder. So 3 into 3 into 3, that is nothing but 27. So plus 27 over here. So 27 plus 0, right? So we are getting our answer, that is 27. So in the sum memory location, we are having our new value, that is 27. Okay, now n is equal to n by 10. Now for the second iteration, we need the value, right? So here n is equal to n divided by 10. So here 153 divided by 10, we are getting our quotient as 15. So that 15 is going to be stored in the n now. So as because we have completed our cube of 27. Now let's have a look for the 15. Now we have to check the while condition again. Is the 15 is greater than 0? Yes, this condition is true. So if this condition is true, we have to execute this body of loop, this instruction. So r is equal to n modulo division 10. Now what is the value of n? N value is 15. 15 modulo division 10. So again here 15 divided by 10, 10 ones are 10, we are having a remainder as 5. So here now next remainder we are getting as 5. Okay, Now after getting a remainder, what we have to do? We have to perform this sum operation. So already what is the value of sum now? Here in the memory location, value of sum is 27. So 27 plus sum. Okay. 27 plus r into r into r. Now what is the value present in the 5 in the r? Remainder is 5. So 5 into 5 into 5 is nothing but 125. So here we are getting value that is 125. So 120. So now here 125 plus 27 is nothing but 152. Right? 152. Okay, so now we are having this new sum value is equal to 152. Now again we are done with this 5. Now we have to deal with this 1. How will get this 1 value? By using this n is equal to n modulo division 10. So we'll get the quotient value. Okay, let's have a look. So 10 ones are 10. So here we are getting our quotient value as 1. So now here what is in updated value of n? The updated value of n is 1. Okay, then again we are going to check the condition that 1 is greater than 0. Is this condition is true? Yes, the condition is true. So what we are doing is we have to perform sum is equal to sum plus we have to go with the remainder. So r is equal to n modulo division 10, right? R is equal to n modulo division 10. So 10 zeros are 0 because here we are remaining with the value. We are remaining with the value. Sorry, here it should be 1. Okay. We are remaining with the value 1 here. Okay, so 10 zeros are 0. The remainder is 1. Okay. Now here we are having a remainder as 1. So we have to make a cube of this 1 and we have to add it with sum. So sum contains the value that is 152. 152 plus 1 will be 153. Okay, so here we are done with this. Then n is equal to n simple division 10. So always we know that the simple division written as the quotient value, and here our quotient value is nothing but the 0. So here what we are doing, n value we are updating as 0 in the memory location. Yeah, now again check the condition. 0 greater than 0. Condition true or false? Here, yes. Here 0 is equal to 0. It's not less or not greater. That's why here our condition is getting false. So what we are doing is we are just coming out of this while loop. Okay. So here we are coming out of this while loop. Now next condition, what we have to do? We have to check now the given answer, that whatever the value we are getting in the sum is Armstrong number, or means it is equal to the value stored in the temporary variable. Okay, so here we are going to check temp is equal to sum. Is this condition is true? Let's check. Okay, so what is the value present in a temp? 153. 153. Is it equal to 153 value present in sum? Yes, both the values are same. It means that this condition is true. If this condition is true, we are going to execute this if part and we are going to print the value in the output as Armstrong number. Okay, so like this we are executing it, or we are finding it that the number is Armstrong number or not. Hope this is clear for everyone. If it is clear, just try by your own with the another number. Hope the logic is clear for everyone. Thank you.